How to use GrabPay for online purchases. First of all, open the Grab app and tap on the payment option located on the home screen. Once you are in the payment section, you will see different payment methods like GrabPay wallet and cards. Ensure you have sufficient balance in your wallet for the purchase. You can add funds to your GrabPay wallet using your bank account, credit card, or debit card. When you are ready to make a purchase, head to your chosen online store from the home screen. Choose the product you like and add it to your basket. Then go to the basket. At the checkout, select GrabPay as your payment option. You will then be prompted to confirm the payment amount. After confirmation, you will receive a one-time password or be asked to enter your PIN to authenticate the transaction. Once everything is verified, your payment will be processed and you will receive a notification that your purchase is complete. It's that easy. And that's it. Now you know how to use GrabPay for online purchases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.